Hello, my name is John Kelly. I am a teaching and learning coach for Delaware City Schools. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to add an image from your Google Drive into your Canvas course. So to bring an image into Canvas, we're going to navigate between two tabs. So what we see here is the image I want to put into my Canvas course somewhere. And so for this example, I have chosen an assignment. And so I'm going to use this interface here. This interface allows me to go through and to put it right in my Canvas course as an announcement, as a discussion, as a page, and obviously an assignment, as well as quizzes. And the way we're going to do this is we need to get an embed code to place the image right into Canvas. And this also is the same method that will work for other Google products as well. So for example, you could do this with a slideshow on Google Slides if you want. So the way to do this is you go and you hit File, and then you hit Publish to Web. So Publish to Web, and you're going to go and click Embed. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy that link right there. Go back to your Canvas page. And I'm going to show you a couple different methods that you can do this. The first one is you can go and hit the icon there and then hit embed, and then you can paste the code here directly into the page. And there's my image. The other method I want to show you is right here with HTML editor. And I click that, notice it changes. It changes from HTML to rich content, and I want to go ahead and hit HTML, so I'm in the HTML. And very simply, I'm just going to paste that code right in there. So there you go, you see the code, and then I'm just going to click back, and there's my image. That concludes the process of how to take an image from your Google Drive and place it into your Canvas course. Feel free to reach out to the tech department if you have any issues. Thank you.